students. So today we have come up with a new chapter, which is quality tools, which is the last chapter of employability skills. So now let's look upon what do we mean by quality first. When looking for the meaning of quality, we come across many definitions, but out of those, two stand out that are crucial for defining quality. Quality means those features of products which meet customer needs and thereby provide customer satisfaction. In this sense, the meaning of quality is oriented to income. The purpose of such higher quality is to provide greater customer satisfaction and hopes to increase income. However, providing more or better quality features usually requires an investment and hence usually causes increase in costs. Higher quality in this sense usually costs more. Quality means freedom from deficiencies, freedom from errors that require doing work over again or that result in field failures, customer dissatisfaction, customer claims and so on. In this sense, the meaning of quality is oriented to costs and higher quality usually costs less. So, here the meaning of quality is oriented to somewhat similar to income, oriented to income. Higher quality in this sense usually costs more. Range of quality. Now let's see there's a figure given. Okay, now so let's first see the characteristics of quality. 8 dimensions of product quality management can be used at a strategic level to analyze quality characteristics. Garvin's 8 dimensions can be summarized as follows. So, 8 dimensions diya ase juntu par ami bujibo parim the characteristics of quality. Number 1 is performance. Number 2 is features. Number 3 is reliability. Number 4 is conformance. Number 5 is durability. Number 6 is serviceability. Number 7 is aesthetics. Number 8 is perceived quality. Performance refers to a product's primary operating characteristics. This dimension of quality involves measurable attributes. Brands can usually be ranked objectively in individual aspects of performance. Features are additional characteristics that enhance the appeal of the product or service to the user. Reliability is the likelihood that a product will not fail within a specific time period. This is a key element for users who need the product to work without fail. Conformance is the precision with which the product or service meets the specified standards. Durability measures the length of a product's life when the product can be repaired. Estimating durability is more complicated. The item will be used until it is no longer economical to operate it. This happens when the repair rate and associated costs increase significantly. Serviceability is the speed with which the product can be put into service when it breaks down, as well as the competence and the behavior of the service person. Aesthetics is the subjective dimension indicating the kind of response a user has to a product. It represents the individual's personal preference. Perceived quality is the quality attributed to a good service based on indirect measures. Okay. Now let's look upon the quality planning. The following are the important steps for the quality planning. Establishing quality goals is number 1. Number 2 is identifying customers. Number 3 is discovering customer needs. Number 4 is developing product features. Number 5 is developing process features. Number 6 is establishing process controls and transferring to operations. Quality consciousness and quality assurance. Quality consciousness is a term intended to describe a state of being whereby an individual's consciousness, that is his or her conscious purpose, is being focused on producing a quality result or outcome from his or her actions. In an organizational sense, quality consciousness means the same, but on the organizational wide scale, that is, the entire organization will consciously act with one purpose to produce a quality result. Quality assurance is a way of preventing mistakes or defects in manufactured products. মানে quality to assure কৰা হয় যে product খিনি যাতে বেয়া manufacture নহয়. Quality assurance is applied to physical products in pre-production to verify what will be made meets specifications and requirements during manufacturing production runs by validating that the lot samples meet specified quality controls. Quality assurance is also applied to software to verify features and functionality meets business objectives and that code is relatively bug free prior to shipping or releasing new software products and versions. Quality assurance refers to administrative and procedural activities implemented in a quality system so that requirements and goals for a product, service or activity will be fulfilled. Two principles included in quality assurance are fit for purpose. The product should be suitable for the intended purpose. First time mistakes should be eliminated. Quality control. What is quality control? Quality control is a procedure or set of procedures intended to ensure that a manufactured product or performed service adheres to a defined set of quality criteria or meets the requirements of the client or customer. Quality control is similar to but not identical with quality assurance. Objectives of quality control. The basic objectives of quality control are to maintain quality standards in order to ensure customer satisfaction and to reduce the costs associated with the scrapping of defective goods. Quality control has two different aspects. Quality of design related to the appropriateness of the product for the customer's purpose after establishing customer requirements or the customer's insight of quality that is personified in production, design and requirement. There is a trade-off between the costs associated with the maintenance of quality and the costs resulting from failures. Quality control involves the use of resources in the inspection process. However, quality control costs can be reduced by the inspection of variables in the production process. These include the raw materials that go into the production process, work in progress and the machinery used. Advantages and disadvantages of quality control. The advantages are good quality products are created, customer satisfaction is high. The disadvantages are it needs more people and money. Sometimes quality control is not 100% efficient. So now let's look upon quality circle. A quality circle is a group of workers or even students who do the same or similar work, usually under the leadership of their own supervisor or an elected team leader, who meet regularly in paid time and are trained to identify, analyze and solve work related problems and present their solutions to management and wherever possible implement the solutions themselves in order to improve the performance of the organization and motivate and enrich the work of employees. When matured, true quality circles become self-managing, having gained the confidence of management. Quality circles are typically more formal groups. They meet regularly on company time and are trained by competent persons who may be personal and industrial relations specialists trained in human factors and the basic skills of problem identification, information gathering and analysis, basic statistics and solution generation. Characteristics of quality circle. It usually consists of 6 to 8 members from the same section. Membership of a quality circle is voluntary. Circle members should meet regularly, ideally once in a week at particular place and time. Circle members select a name for their circle in the first meeting and elect a leader to conduct the meetings. Members are specially trained in problem solving and analysis techniques in order to play their role effectively. Circle works on a systematic basis to identify and solve work-related problems for improving quality and productivity, not just discussing them. The management must ensure that solutions are implemented quickly once they have been accepted. Objectives of quality circles are as follows. Number one is create problem solving capability, build an attitude of problem prevention, reduce errors and enhance quality and productivity, improve communication in the organization, inspire more effective teamwork, promote job involvement and participation, increase employees' motivation, develop harmonious manager-workers relationship, develop greater safety awareness, promote cost reduction, promote personal and leadership development, catalyze attitudinal changes for greater cohesiveness and teamwork. Okay. Benefits of quality circles. Number one is teamwork. Number two is positive attitude. Number three is personality advancement. Number four is positive working environment. Number five is increased productivity. Number six is shared responsibilities. Number seven is different perspective. In workplaces, groups are used to enhance the number and quality of ideas discussed. Diversity can add to the breadth and depth of the ideas discussed, as people from varied backgrounds usually come to the table with ideas based on their own backgrounds. So, these are the benefits of the quality circles. Let's look upon the quality circles in organizations in the next topic.